Okay, sorry about that. Number 9. You have x squared plus 15x minus 54. So you're looking for what multiplies to give you 54, and because this is a subtraction, a negative, it's going to subtract to give you 15. So when you have a negative, you have to have a positive and negative number, and your larger number needs to be whatever the value of your b. So your standard function of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. So you look for what multiplies to give you c and combines to give you b. So when c is negative, they have to be opposite in signs. So these are all opposite in signs. They all multiply to give you 54, and your larger number has to be positive. So your 9 and 18 need to be positive. So H and J are not it. So you're looking for what subtracts to give you 15. Is it 9 minus 6 or 18 minus 3? Of course, it is 18 minus 3, G. 10. So 10, we have an extra step. So you take your first and last term and multiply. So 2 times 63. And that has my answers on there. So 2 times 63 is 126. Yep. So you can go to y equals and see what multiplies to give you 126. So y equals 126 divided by x will give you all the factors. So what multiplies to give you 126 and adds to give you 25. So when it's positive, you're going to add, and they're just going to both be negative. So you can eliminate F and H. So let's look at our factors of 126. Delete. Okay, so y equals 126 divided by x, and that gives you all your factors. So you're looking for one that adds to give you 25. So you have 2 and 63, 3 and 42, 6 and 21, 7 and 18. So 7 and 18 add to equal 25. And they're both going to be negative. So x and x minus. The next step is you take the number that's in front of x squared or whatever variable it is and you divide. So we're going to take that 2 and divide, and then we reduce if we can. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this turns to x minus 9. The 2 doesn't go into 7, so you throw it out front. So you have 2x minus 7. So those are your two factors, 2x minus 7 and x minus 9. So my answer is G. So I have in my calculator, I've got G and J. So if you recognize that they both need to be negative, you can eliminate. So if you wanted to do it in the calculator, you can. I just want to show you what it looks like. So let me zoom in a little bit. So go to your table, and your tables have to match. So notice Y2 and Y1 are the same. 21, 21, 6, and 6. So that means that G, the x minus 9, and the 2x minus 7 is the answer. Okay, graphing. When you're only given one of the factors, you can solve by graphing. So let me show you what that looks like. So we know that our answer is G. So 2x minus 7 is your other factor. So you put them on two separate lines and you graph. Oops. Quit window. I need a zoom standard. I did not reset this calculator. Just quit. And window. So you should have -10. Your min has to be smaller than your max. So I'm just setting it up normal. Zoom standard. So there's our parabola, and there is our line. So the factors will go through the x-intercepts. So it's going to go through those x-intercepts. So you can change your window so that you can kind of focus on those. So you can go change your window to 0 to 10, because my intercepts was on the right hand side, and you can change your y to -1 and 1. Again, you can see that the lines intersect the x-axis, and that is where your solution is. So your factors are going to go through your solution.